Now I will be starting off with the second important question for simulation. This is also a very important question as far as the exams are concerned. This is illustration number 10. Strong is a dentist who schedules all her patients for 30 minutes appointment. Some of the patients take more or less than 30 minutes depending upon the type of dental work to be done. It means that the doctor is giving you an appointment after every 30 minutes, but the type of treatment you're taking, it will be telling us how much time it will take. As in, supposing you're going for cleaning cleaning might take 10 to 15 minutes. They have given the time taken by the doctor for each and every service you want to avail. Whatever service you will avail, the time taken will be according to the service you're undertaking. Now we will be making a table for the same. Table में क्या है? It is already given filling, crown, cleaning, extraction, checkup, and the time has been given to you and the probability has been given to us. Now we will just cumulate the probability 0.40, 0.55, 0.70, 0.80, 1.00. After doing this thing, now we will simply come up to the table. They have already given us the random number values, that is 40, 82, 11, 34, 25, 66, 17 and 79. We will write it down over here. First of all, he is saying that the clinic starts at 8. First patient will come at 8 and after every half an hour a patient is coming. I'm not talking about what time he is getting the, I'm not telling you what time he will get the service or what time he will get free. I'm just telling you the arrival of every patient, because the doctor is giving an appointment after every half an hour. 10, 10:30, 11 and 11:30. Now next thing what we have is, we will just write these random numbers over here: 40, 82, 11, 34, 25, 66, 17, 79. Now we will have to make a series out of this: 0 till 39, 40 till 54, 55 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 99. Ab 40 is falling here. This is crown. That means the patient is coming for crowning. Crowning को कितना time लग रहा है? It is already given in this table, 60 minutes. Then we have 11. 11 is also gonna be here. 0 till इसमें filling. I'm sorry, 82. 82 is a random number table. 82 is here. It will be under checkup. Checkup will take 15 minutes. Then 11. 11 is gonna be here again, filling. Filling will take 45 minutes. 34, again filling. It will also take 45 minutes. Again filling, 25 will come under this one only, 0 till 39 wale mein. Again 45 minutes. 66 is gonna be this one, cleaning. Cleaning is taking 15 minutes. Then we have 17. 17 will be here, again filling. Filling will take 45 minutes. And 79, it will be your extraction. Extraction will take 45 minutes. After doing this thing, now you will have to make another table. उस table में क्या है? Okay, now you will be, I'm making it A, B, C, D, E, F and idle time. I'll just tell you what it is. B में मैं लिख रही हूँ arrival. That means patient is arriving at what time? First patient is coming at 8. Half an hour के बाद every patient is coming. 8, 9, 9:30, 10, 10:30, 11 and 11:30. उसके बाद C में हम ये लिख रहे हैं service starts. What time the service will start? The first patient, D may we will write service time. How much time it is being taken for the patient to take the service. Then we have service ends. ठीक है. Then we have waiting time. See, now service starts. The patient who is coming at 8 o'clock, his service will start at 8 o'clock only. And service time, first patient is coming for this thing, crowning में it is gonna take 60 minutes. So service time is 60 minutes and service will end at 9 o'clock. Second, इसके लिए waiting time was nil because he came at 8 and उसको 8 o'clock की service मिलनी start होगी. Then we have 8:30 the patient was coming but the service will start at 9 o'clock. क्योंकि जब तक डॉक्टर यहाँ से फ्री नहीं होगा he will not attend the second patient. 9 o'clock and वो second patient is coming for filling. Filling is for 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Filling is for 45 minutes, right? I'm sorry, he's coming for checkup. I'm checking it wrong. He's coming for checkup which will take just 15 minutes. 15 minutes means 9:15 the service will end. But इस पेशेंट को कितनी देर वेट करनी पड़ी? He came at 8:30 और उसकी सर्विस स्टार्ट हुई है 9 o'clock. That means 30 मिनट्स के लिए उसको वेट करनी पड़ेगी. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट सर्विस जो है इट विल स्टार्ट एट 9:15, जितने बजे सर्विस इसकी खत्म हुई है. तो इसका वेटिंग टाइम कितना हुआ? 15 मिनट, 15 मिनट्स. और ये क्या करवाने आया है? थर्ड पेशेंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 या third patient is coming for filling which will take 45 minutes. That means the doctor will get free at 10. But the patient here, he is coming at 9:30. So the waiting time would be 30 minutes for this patient. Now, अब इसको कितना टाइम लगेगा? फोर्थ पेशेंट को 45 minutes again. He is also coming for filling. So the doctor will get free at 10:45. Now the service for next patient will start at 10:45. So, but the patient arrived at 10 o'clock. 45 minutes is the waiting time. And how much time it will take? Again 45 minutes. So, what time will the doctor get free? 10:45 till 45 minutes more. It will be 11:30. अब 11:30 he will start with next patient. तो उसका waiting time हुआ 60 minutes. इसको कितना टाइम लग रहा है 11:30 वाले को? ही इज पेशेंट नंबर 6 को 15 मिनट्स लगने हैं सिर्फ, राइट? तो इसका इट विल गेट ओवर बाय 11:45. नेक्स्ट पेशेंट का ट्रीटमेंट विल स्टार्ट एट 11:45 बट ही रीच्ड एट 11 o'clock. तो ही हैड टू वेट फॉर 45 मिनट्स. तो वेटिंग टाइम इज 45 मिनट्स एंड व्हाट सर्विस इज ही हियर फॉर? फिलिंग. 45 मिनट्स. That means doctor will get free by 12:30. Now next service will start at 12:30. Again 60 minutes ka waiting time is there, right? And what do you say? How much time will be taken? Again 45 minutes. And what time will doctor get free? 12:30 plus 45 minutes is 1:15 पे doctor will get free. अब इसमें एक हमने कॉलम बनाया है आइडल टाइम का. आइडल टाइम बनाया है फॉर द डॉक्टर. बट इधर क्या है? ऑलरेडी द पेशेंट्स आर देयर एंड डॉक्टर कुड नॉट गेट एनी टाइम व्हेन ही वाज फ्री. आइडल टाइम फॉर डॉक्टर वाज निल. सो व्हाट इज द एवरेज? यू विल जस्ट एड अप दिस वन वेटिंग टाइम. दिस वेटिंग टाइम इन मिनट्स इज 285 and divided by 8. So this is your average and this is your answer. So I hope you are clear with this thing. You have to practice these questions very thoroughly. And the last thing I have is over here. I'll just tell you in the book itself. Okay. See, this is also a question. Likewise, same sahi hai. Customers are arriving and इसमें arrival दिया हुआ है. Again, time of arrival, service time, time of start, time of finish and waiting time. Same way you have to do this question. If you are thorough with this question, then you will be able to do this one also. Then we have simulation with financial and inventory. This is nothing, you can do it. इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा है नहीं करने वाला. Then we have discounted cash flow. Just have a look at it. This one, this is again not a very important question as far as the examination point of view is concerned. बट एक बार आप देख लेना. इफ यू स्टिल नॉट क्लियर विद इट देन जस्ट गेट बैक टू मी, आई कैन क्लियर इट आउट टू यू. इतने लेंथी क्वेश्चंस दे विल नेवर गिव. या दिस इज ऑल्सो अगेन, इसमें क्या है, दे आर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग 40 कार्स. हमने जो ब्रेड वाला क्वेश्चन किया था दैट ही इज मेकिंग 30 ब्रेड्स इन अ डे और 29 ब्रेड्स इन अ डे. अब इसमें कार्स आ गया. दैट्स द ओनली डिफरेंस वी हैव. Then we have, that's it. Simulation. I'm through with this chapter. Please do all the questions you can and just get back to me with all your doubts. Thank you.